And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
A good Friday morning to you, East Texas. Thanks for staying with us this morning. Here's a look at what we're seeing from atop the Plaza Tower. And as we go through the day today, we'll be seeing a pretty similar story with just some partly cloudy skies this afternoon. But those temperatures will be warming up. Right now, we're looking at 70s, that dew point around 76. And we're going to continue to warm up as the sun rises. And right now across the region, the only rain that we're seeing is associated with a tropical disturbance down there towards deep South Texas. And that will continue to move towards the coastline as we go through the day today and into tomorrow, but any activity associated with that should stay well to our south. So our rain chances just going to be pretty isolated in nature through the weekend and into next week, maybe a 30% coverage Wednesday and Thursday. Here's a look at Futurecast showing that about 10, maybe 20% coverage of some showers as we go through this afternoon, but most of us will be hot and dry through the day today with things really quieting down into tonight. Temperatures right now about 82 in Houston, 81 in DFW, about 80 in San Antonio. And here across East Texas, we've got plenty of 70s out there this morning. Some of us are right on the cusp of 80 degrees. So it is a pretty warm start to the day, and it's only going to get hotter as we go through the afternoon. Those high temperatures will be climbing into those 90s, mid to upper 90s with look at these heat index values, maybe up there around 110 degrees in some spots. So it is going to be hot out there as we go through this afternoon. For that reason, we've got a heat advisory for most counties here in East Texas. Make sure you're staying hydrated, staying cool out there if you're out and about through the afternoon. Then those lows tonight will be back down into the 70s. And here is a look at that temperature trend over the next 7 days. That normal high is about 96. And yeah, we're going to be right around that here as we go into next week. No big changes are on the horizon as far as those temperatures go. Now, switching gears over to the tropics, there's a disturbance right there just off the coast of South Texas that has about a 50% chance of developing here before it moves inland. And regardless, this thing is going to be just a rainmaker for those locations, not expecting any significant development out of this system. And it's really going to run out of time over the next about 12 hours or so. This is Tropical Storm Erin. You can see how large of a system this is as it's likely going to move just to the north of the Caribbean islands. Right now, winds are 70 miles an hour, meaning that it's just on the cusp of becoming a hurricane. Likely to do so later today, moving north of the islands and then eventually turning more to the north and potentially between Bermuda and the east coast of the U.S., likely as a major hurricane, maybe even a Cat 4. So lots to watch with that system, but luckily no threat to us here in East Texas. Our highs today will be in the 90s, partly cloudy skies. A stray storm cannot be ruled out. As we go into tonight, we'll see those lows in the 70s under mostly clear skies. Your 7-day forecast does show that potential for some isolated to widely scattered storms each afternoon through the next 7 days. And temperature-wise, we're going to be looking at normal high temperatures in the 90s each afternoon. Those lows will be in the 70s. And again, no big changes are on the horizon as we go through the middle part of next week.
So just a very, very warm weekend out there, like we expect.
Yeah, and if you can, get out on the lake, do something just to help keep cool.
Absolutely. All right, Braden, thank you. We appreciate it. We'll be right back with your job board posting on your Friday here.